Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Maya and this is MAYAMARIEtv. This is my first YouTube video, and for my first video I'm just going to be doing an unboxing. The timing of this video is kind of weird because I literally just got this bag today, and I've also been planning to start this channel, so I figured since I got the bag today, might as well do an unboxing before I even wear the bag. Here's the bag right here. I did open it, but not necessarily all the way. I just opened it to make sure this is what it was. So it came in this box. I'm not going to show the other side because it has my address on it, but it came in this little box and I wasn't really sure what type of box it was going to come in. I don't know. I've gotten things that were maybe like this big that came in a box this long, so I wasn't exactly sure, and I got this from Nordstrom. I'm really excited about this bag because I have been wanting a crossbody bag for a long time. The bag I have now it's this big, like, and this can get kind of, it's a lot of stuff in here, but this can kind of get annoying carrying around every day, especially if you're somewhere where you might not just want to take a huge bag. That's my bag that I've been using for, I want to say, over a year, maybe a little bit over a year. I got that bag for my birthday in 2018, so August of 2018. And it was my first designer bag. I do have an MCM like wallet bag type of thing. I mean, it has a chain, but it's not big enough to be considered a bag because you can't fit anything in there. But that bag was my first designer bag. It's a Gucci bag. It's reversible. I think it was $1,200, but that's not what the video is about. So this bag. So yeah, I've been wanting this bag. Well, I haven't been wanting this bag. I've been wanting a crossbody bag for a long time. A bag. So this is a YSL bag. I'm gonna open it because I've been talking a lot. So when you open it, it comes like this. Don't mind the bag being ripped, but it comes like this, which I was a little upset about because I wanted a Saint Laurent box. I mean, I don't know if they come in boxes. This is my first YSL Saint Laurent purchase, so then it just comes with the return label and a little Nordstrom note, a little thank you note. So yeah, this is the bag, and it comes in a plastic bag, which I've never seen before, and a plastic bag over top of the dust bag. So I'm gonna take this off. And it's the dust bag. This is a nice dust bag. I don't know, I always like the dust bags. And it just says Saint Laurent. I keep forgetting that they're not YSL anymore and it's just Saint Laurent. So if I'm saying that, it's just a habit. Yeah, nothing comes in the dust bag. Then here is the bag. So I really like this bag and I think it's really cute. Now when I bought it, I was just a little hesitant about how big it would actually be, because I wanted to be able to actually, you know, put stuff in there. I mean, I am used to carrying a big bag, so, you know, I needed to fit some of my stuff at least. And it smells like leather. I got black because anybody who knows me knows I love black, I love white, and I love gray. Those are like the only colors I wear. My whole room is white. I pretty much wear black every day, and yeah, black goes with everything too, so I said why not. So yeah, here's the bag. It just has the YSL right there. They have another one just like this, but instead of like this design, it's just like plain, like just regular black, like it's basically like this, the whole bag. I didn't want to get that because it just looked too plain, like for it to be. I think this bag was $12.50, and I think that one was maybe like $11.50 or around there, and I'm not paying $11.50 for it to be just too plain, even though this is plain, but it's just different. So, and it also has this little like tassel. I didn't take this off, but I'll take it off now, which is another thing I really liked about the bag. I don't know, I just thought it was really cute. It has this little tassel on the strap, so look like this, and it has one zipper on the side. It doesn't have any over here. And when you unzip it, basically it just has a whole bunch of paper. And yeah, it's like, I feel like it's a pretty good size. It's not too small, and it's not just like overwhelmingly big. You can fit a good amount of things in here, I would say. Like your phone, wallet, lip glosses, a brush, just like essentials, I would say. I mean, what else do people really carry in their bag? Maybe even a hand lotion, anything that you really need. I mean, I don't wear makeup, but you can put some of your makeup in here. So yeah, then it just has a little Saint Laurent Paris made in Italy tag in there. And it also comes with this. I don't know what this is, so let me just open it. This was in the pocket. And it does have one pocket on the side, which I really like too. Because sometimes like bags like this, they'll come with like no pockets or just literally nothing in there. So I do appreciate that. So all it says is that the bag is authentic. Yeah, it literally says nothing else in there. It has it in like different languages. So it just comes with like different ones of these. That's it. So that's all that comes in there. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I mean, this is what the inside looks like. This is the pocket right here. And this is just the bag. It's really cute. I really like it. I'm really excited. This is my second designer bag, and it's a crossbody bag, and it's YSL. I don't have anything from YSL or Saint Laurent, and it's just really cute. So yeah, this is my unboxing. I should definitely figure out the correct name for this bag. Okay, so I figured out the name of the bag. It's called, okay, I cannot pronounce it. Basically, it's a calfskin leather camera bag. Like I said, the other bag that was just plain, just like this all around, was also a camera bag. So I guess that's just like the style of the bag. But yeah, and like I said, it was $12.50. I got it from Nordstrom. I ordered it online. They didn't have it in the store. And yeah, this is my unboxing of my YSL camera bag, and I think it's so cute. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this video, and just let me know what other videos you guys will want me to do down in the comments, and I will try my best to get those done for you. So thank you for watching my first YouTube video. Like I said, please subscribe. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know if you like my bag. Let me know if you have this bag. Anything, just comment down, like the video, and let me know. So thank you. Bye.